Ooh.
Oh
It
my
broke
gosh.
again. Dang. Let's see this sad sight again. Yeah. Ain't that pretty. See if we can see it up close. She done a number. I think it was already twisted a little bit anyway from what we've rode before. But she's real twisted. I mean, it's like twisted, candy caned. So now for the fun part. At least the cover will come off easy since I've already had it apart. Still got a little oil in her. Run back out of the axle chest. Look at that cover from the years of rubbing on stuff. We just hope. Let's hope I can get it out and ain't messed up the carrier. I mean, I'm not really surprised because I was expecting it would have done it before now.
I am surprised that it's lasted so long.
Oh yeah, I mean it's lasted a lot longer than everybody said it would.
Yep.
Let's see if a piece of DOM2 gonna do it. Yeah, it butters the end of it up. It'll be okay. So the way where it twisted is right at the bearings. Well, I know what we'll do.
Okay.
Or we'll try.
What you thinking?
We're gonna try to pull the other side apart
Okay.
and get that shaft out and see if the carrier will come out with it in.
Okay.
That one don't want to go in either. We might have a twisted shaft in this side too. She's about in enough. Can you hit it again?
Uh-huh.
Yeehaw! Yeah, the clip won't come out of it.
Okay.
Hit in on it again.
Okay.
I guarantee it's twisted. Okay.
Ready?
Alright, hit it. Alright. But the axle ought to just pull out now. It's twisted.
You want me to hit it?
Yeah, hit on the back side of it. It's going.
It is?
Yeah, it moved a little bit. Keep on. Right. I guarantee it's twisted. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Way to go, babe.
Oh yeah, she's twisted. Ain't as bad as the other side was last time. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Well, I tell you one thing.
Well, they've been good.
Grizzly locker, Yukon Grizzly locker holds up to a lot.
The locker's good.
I don't know that it's gonna.
There it goes.
I think that's gonna hold it. Crooked so far. So machines for that side. Let's see where it got the carrier.
Yeah.
I can probably file that back out and
It'll bust.
I think it will.
It'll bust.
Maybe.
Oh.
Now take it to the table.
Look, it was like in the midst of shearing more. Look at it.
Yeah. Ringer and pinion's still good though. They held up great.
Way to go.
But the carrier's on the doo-doo list, probably. She probably done. Well, let's go over and see if we can get it out.
Mm.
Yeah, Ringer's still perfect.
There it's at.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh
It
my
broke
gosh.
again. Dang. Holy cow.
I mean, you didn't want to do it one good time.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Three-piece axle shaft.
What? Look at you.
I need Yukon gear and axle to take me on board for testing. I can tell you the locker holds up great.
Absolutely.
Because this side,
Locker, yes.
This side has had a twisted shaft worse than the other one, and now one that's broken 3 pieces.
Yeah. Yukon's where it's at.
It didn't mess the carrier up.
Good.
Splines is still just as straight as they can be in the carrier.
Good.
And it swollen enough it popped this race or the bearing. We'll pull that off, but as far as looking at the inside of it, the only place is right there, and most of what I ground was pieces of axle where it dug in. I don't see no crack. But we'll take the bearing off just to make sure.
Clearly, you had a good time.
Oh yeah, we've had a ball. I ain't believing that. I've broke some shafts over the years, especially in the pulling trucks. But they always break just in half. I have never broke one in 3 pieces. To do it. You don't have one of these anymore. Easiest way to pull bearings. Yep, crack the bearing right there. All the way through.
Yeah, sure enough.
The bearing's trash. Axles are both trash. Hopefully. Carrier ain't. Hopefully. I don't see no crack on the inside. And right there's where the bearing was cracked. It's good. Carrier's golden. Teeth look great.
Good.
I'll go get a stock shaft and stick in it right quick.
Okay.
Be a pretty cheap fix for now. And, well.
And what?
And hopefully maybe we could upgrade to something else before I destroy it again. And somebody else can own the axles to put under something that they don't beat on so much.
Yeah. Because clearly, you need something that can hold up to you.
Yeah. Yep. It's getting about that time to spend a little money. If you look, it's got like room.
Yeah.
In that collar. So that side's good. That side's good.
Good.
Look like this, and not this.
Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Put that
Just
on.
look at that.
Oh.
I'm not sure where
Where's the rest of it?
Went. We'll have to clean the housing out. Cause it's missing a piece.
It sure is.
Well, I know I broke a little bit off of her, but or either that's just the way it twisted it. Cause it sets pretty good like that. Pieces of the axle.
Oh, you found them.
Yeah, I found them.
Okay, good.
They're not up in. I was worried they might have got up in there, but luckily they stayed outside and
Good.